In today's video, I'm going to take you through the steps of setting up your Xero account for MTD, Making Tax Digital for VAT. So we're going to assume that you've done these first three steps. We're going to assume that you've realised that you need to set up for Making Tax Digital and you've looked at the timescale that applies to your business. We're also going to assume that you've logged into your Government Gateway account and you have signed up for Making Tax Digital. And the third assumption is that you've got your software ready to use. And in this case, it's going to be Xero. So let's head into Xero and take a look at what you would need to do to get set up for submitting your first VAT return under Making Tax Digital. But before we do, it would be great if you could like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and you'll get notified when new videos are uploaded on a regular basis. Your support is very much appreciated. We're on the Xero dashboard and we're going to start by looking at a couple of things. So we're going to go to Accounting, we're going to go to the Advanced section, and we're going to go to Financial Settings. Now this should already be set up, but we're just going to take a look at it. So the VAT information should be here. The VAT scheme that you're on, the VAT period, and your VAT number. We've got a year-end date of 30th of April. VAT returns are often in line with the year-end date. So that would mean that the first VAT return that we need to do under the Making Tax Digital will be for the quarter May, June and July. So we've got that set up and we need to make sure that that is accurate. The other place I want to take you to is to Accounting, again to Advanced and to the Chart of Accounts. So because we've told Xero that we are a VAT registered business, we would expect that our tax rates, our VAT rates, are accurate on the Chart of Accounts. It's not a bad thing to review these and see that they make sense. So for example, our sales codes have got 20% VAT on income. Our costs, where relevant, have got 20% VAT on expenses. Then you've got examples like bank fees that are exempt for VAT. We can change these at data input, but it's not a bad thing to review these and see that they actually make sense. Then where we need to go, and again I'm going to go to Accounting, I'm going to go to Reports. I'm going to head to the VAT return, which is actually a favourite report of mine, so it appears here. If it doesn't appear on this list, we can go to Reports. If we don't know where a report is, we can search for it. If we do know, and in this case I do, it's the Taxes and Balances section, and here we have the UK VAT return. When I choose that screen, it's telling me that I now need to be set up for Making Tax Digital, MTD, for VAT. I have already registered with HMRC, so then I need to choose the option to connect to HMRC. Once you do that, you choose Continue, then you would sign in with your Government Gateway details and you would get HMRC to then talk to your Xero software. Then once you're back in your Xero account, you can input your transactions. Then when you're ready to do your first VAT return from the dashboard, you choose Accounting, you choose your VAT return. The period that you're looking at will appear here and you select Review. Once you're on your VAT return, you can see the information that goes into all the box numbers, and when you scroll down to the bottom, you have an option to submit to HMRC. But before you do that, what you want to do is you want to check the information on your VAT return. So you've got two choices here. You can go to transactions by VAT box or transactions by tax rate. I'll choose tax rate. And then you're going to see every transaction that's been fed into your VAT return. You can scroll down them, you can review them and see that it makes sense. So for example, the tax rate we're looking at here is 20% VAT on income. And this is where you would expect to see all your sales. For some businesses, this report can be quite big. Then we've got the 20% VAT on expense. So these are the expenses where you are reclaiming VAT. If there was any backup in Xero, you would see it as an attachment here. Then if we've got any corrections, they go into this section, 20% VAT adjusted. And then finally, we have any transactions where there's no VAT. So what you would do is you would review what's gone into your VAT return, then you would head back to VAT return, scroll down to the bottom and choose submit to HMRC. It's actually quite difficult to show this on a demo company. But the main thing on this video was to show you how to get set up. Then once you get to submitting your VAT return, you might need some support, you might need some help, somebody to guide you through it the first time that you do. But that is setting up your MTD for your VAT return in Xero. I hope you find the video useful. I'll be back soon with another video, but until then, happy Xeroing.